Hey, YouTube family. Welcome back to our channel. I hope you're all doing fantastic. Today, we've got an essential tech tutorial lined up for you, especially if you're a Windows user. Ever had issues with your trusty pendrive not showing up on your system? Well, fret not, because today, we're diving into the nitty-gritty of how to repair a pendrive on Windows. But before we jump into the step-by-step guide, if you're new here or haven't hit that subscribe button yet, what are you waiting for? Smash that subscribe button down below and ring that notification bell so you never miss out on our future tech tips and solutions. Alright, let's get right into it. Dealing with a misbehaving pendrive can be frustrating, but fear not, we've got you covered. Stay tuned as we walk you through the process of troubleshooting and repairing your pendrive on the latest Windows operating system. So, without further ado, let's roll that intro and dive into the world of fixing pendrive issues on Windows. Let's verify whether the pendrive is connected. Currently, it's not visible in my computer. To check its status, navigate to the Device Manager. Where it indicates that the pendrive is functioning correctly. Despite this, it doesn't appear in the drive list. To resolve this issue, access Disk Management. Which identifies the pendrive as Drive 2. To mount the pendrive, right-click on it, select Change Drive Letter and Path, click Add. Choose a drive letter and click OK. Now, the pendrive is visible in File Explorer. To confirm, disconnect and reconnect the pendrive, and observe it reappearing for verification. And there you have it, folks. I hope this guide on repairing your pendrive on Windows was helpful and saved you from some tech-induced stress. If you successfully revived your pendrive or learned something new today, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might find it useful. For more tech tips, tutorials, and all things digital, make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on the latest content. If you have any questions or if there's a specific tech topic you'd like us to cover in our future videos, drop a comment down below. We love hearing from you. Thanks for tuning in today. Until next time, happy computing, and we'll catch you in the next video. Take care.